Today's reality is more concerning than many organizations realize. A staggering 97% of organizations that experienced an AI-related security incident lacked proper access controls for their AI systems, according to the IBM's 2025 Cost of Data Breach report. That highlights a growing gap between AI adoption and AI security. Organizations are rapidly deploying AI agents, scaling enterprise AI, and embedding AI into workflows. But governance and security controls are often not keeping pace. And that creates a real risk. As AI systems become more autonomous, new threats emerge. These include data leakage, prompt injection, unauthorized actions, and increasingly sophisticated attacks. Traditional security models were not built for systems that interpret instructions, interact with tools, and operate independently across environments. So the question becomes, how do organizations secure AI systems that are dynamic, interactive, and constantly evolving? This is where a more modern approach to AI compliance comes into play. Instead of relying only on high-level policies, newer frameworks focus on real-world controls. That means looking at how AI actually behaves in living environments, not just how it's designed. Modern AI systems don't operate in isolation. They interact with users, applications, APIs, and sensitive data across workflows. That level of interaction introduces risks that traditional compliance frameworks were never designed to handle. A strong approach to AI security focuses on defining controls around AI agent behavior. The goal is to ensure these systems remain secure, observable, and aligned with organizational policies while operating in dynamic environments. Trust is one of the biggest barriers to scaling AI. If outputs are inconsistent or unpredictable, organizations lose confidence in automation. Principles like transparency, accountability, and readability are essential to building systems that can be trusted in production. But achieving that level of trust requires more than model performance. It requires governance structures that enforce consistency, visibility, and control over time. This approach also works alongside existing frameworks like NIST, AI-RMF, and ISO frameworks. These provide strong foundations for governance and risk management, but they are broader in scope and not always tailored to the unique challenges of autonomous AI agents. By adding a practical layer, organizations can bridge the gaps between policy and execution. This means embedding controls directly into systems and workflows rather than relying only on documentation. This includes continuous monitoring, validating outputs, detecting anomalies, and enforcing access controls. It also includes safeguards against prompt injection, data exposure, and abnormal agent behavior. Risk management in AI must be continuous. AI systems evolve, models change, and threats adapt. A lifecycle-based approach allows organizations to maintain visibility into AI behavior, identify risks early, and respond as they emerge. This becomes especially important in industries handling sensitive data, like healthcare, finance, and software as a service. Certification frameworks can help provide assurance in these environments. Compared to general standards like SOC 2 or ISO, modern AI frameworks emphasize continuous validation and real-time monitoring rather than static checkpoints. Adopting this kind of approach starts with understanding where AI is used across the organization. From there, teams identify risks, evaluate existing controls, and address gaps in governance, access control, and monitoring. Next comes implementation. Controls are built into systems, monitoring is put into place, and teams establish processes for detecting and responding to issues. Ultimately, this structured approach helps organizations scale AI responsibly by improving security, strengthening governance, and building trust in their systems. If you want to learn more about how to better secure your AI systems and strengthen your compliance strategy, reach out to K2GRC. And since you made it this far into the video, you might as well like it, share it, and comment down below.